Hi, I'm Alfonso from AHMcorp. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the hydraulic thumb on your mini excavator. This upgrade will boost your machine's versatility, making tasks like grabbing and holding materials much easier. Remember, safety is our priority, so let's do this safely and effectively.
Let's get started. First, ensure you're wearing the appropriate safety gears: gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. We'll prepare the thumb by removing the hinge and cylinder pins, along with their nuts. Stand the thumb upright using a hoist or with the help from a couple of extra hands. Align the hinge pinholes on the thumb with those on the excavator's arm by moving the boom and the arm into position. Secure the hinge pin with its nut, then align the cylinder pinhole and insert the cylinder pin, securing it with its nut as well. Make sure all connections are tight to prevent any accidents during operation. Now let's connect the hydraulic hoses. Remove the caps from the thumb and cover the exposed ports with plastic wrap. Connect the M14 by 1.5 end of the provided hose to the thumb and the M16 by 1.5 end to the excavator hose end. Fasten each connection with an adjustable wrench. Ensure all connections are secure to prevent leaks. Test the hydraulic thumb by operating the excavator. Ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Check for any hydraulic oil leaks and reconnect if needed. Always inspect your work to ensure safety. Always follow safety protocols to protect yourself and others.
Installing the hydraulic thumb on your mini excavator involves careful alignment, secure connections, and thorough testing. Following these steps will help you get the job done safely and effectively. For more information or assistance, visit AHMcorp.com. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.